going to try to do this one quickly. So, okay, so here 20 can be 20 times 1, okay, 20 times 1, or 10 times 2, or 5 times 4, okay. And then obviously 9 is just 9 times 1 or 3 times 3. So that's our only combinations here. So now again we can start with, you can start anywhere, okay. I'm going to start somewhere here and say 4 times 9 is 36 and 5. There's no way I'm going to, wait, yeah, it's 24.
Yeah, I see.
36 minus 5 is 29, so it's not going to work.
Alright.
Now I go to that one. And remember, it's a plus and a minus. So one must be plus, one must be minus. So the answers I get, like 25 and 36, okay, I have to subtract them from each other. Okay? Not add them, because it's not a plus and a plus. So the next one, 5 times 3 is 15, 4 times 3 is 12, 15 minus 12 is 3. It's not going to work. Now let's go on to this one. 10 times 1, 2 times 9. It's 10, 18 is not going to work. 10 times 3, 2 times 3. Oh, 10 times 3, 30 minus 6. 30 minus 6. Okay, 10 and 3, because we want 24 in the middle. So we know now we have to use the 10 and the 2, so it's 10x, 2x, okay, 10x and 2x, and then 10 must be multiplied by 3. So the 10 must be multiplied by the 3, and the 2 must be multiplied by the 3. So the 2 must be multiplied by 3. And then we want positive 24x. Okay, so we must make this one 10 times positive 3 is positive 30. And then minus 3 times 2 is minus 6. So it's positive 30 minus 6 gives you positive 24. Okay.